guys, welcome back to TNB Vlogs. This is Taran, and once again Puneet is not joining us for this video, but all the girls out there, you don't want to miss this one. So today I'm going to be showing my bag collection, and Puneet is filming the video. He's the behind the camera person. So first of all, I'd like to mention that I'm not trying to show off how many bags I have or how many branded things I buy. This collection has been collected over a period of like say 7 years since I got my first sling bag, and it has taken a lot of time and effort and patience to finally collect everything and get this collection to where it is now. And with the contribution of my parents and my grandparents, you know, this has been where it is now. So I'm going to be starting off with my favorite sling bag, which is from Michael Kors. So it's this one, and it's really beautiful. It has this metallic golden color sling, and you can also extend it like this, and then you can also make it a like bag. So, and she got it, my grandma got it from Canada when she went last year. So this is one of my most favorite bags because it's so convenient. You can just put it in your arm and you know it's good to go, and then you can also wear it like a sling by pulling it like this. So this is that one. And the next one, which is the first ever mini sling I got as a teenager, I guess 5 years ago, is this mini sling. It's from an Instagram store called Airo Store, and I really like this sling. It is one of my favorites. I don't know why I'm really attracted to black sling bags, and you know, so they go with everything. So it's like this, and you can use it as a crossbody sling and stuff. So this is it. And the next one is another mini sling, which is from Caprese. So it's in this beautiful mustard shade. It is not a very common shade, and you know, it is also a sling. Like there's this metallic chain to it, which you get. You can wear it as a crossbody bag, and it's really beautiful. The color is so uncommon, you just don't find it anywhere. And you know, it has a zip at the back, and this color looks very bright in spring, and you know, even in fall season you can like wear it. This is another bag. ये मेरी मम्मी भी use करती है because उन्हें इसे use करना बहुत convenient लगता है. It is a very bright pink shade. Another a very good collection for spring, and you know, I really like it. और इसका जो मतलब strap है ऐसे है, and it also comes with an extra strap which can make it be used as a sling. So ये काफी boxy है, and it's very big, तो इसके अंदर आप कुछ भी carry कर सकते हैं. So this is one of those. And the next one is another like bag, which is, you know, from Guess. This is also from Canada actually. My grandma got it. और जो मेरी मम्मी है वो भी इसे use करते हैं because ऐसे bags उन्हें बहुत easily use करने को लगता है. So this is like a very good black shade. ये भी सबके साथ चला जाता है, like with white as well. So this is it. And the next one is this. It is another sling. It can also be used as a clutch. ये एक्चुअली मेरी जो ट्यूशन टीचर थी वो दुबई गए थे, तो उन्होंने मेरे लिए एज अ गिफ्ट लाया था वहाँ से, एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. एंड यू नो, इट हैज दिस स्लिंग एज वेल, metallic chain. You can use it as a cross body or as a normal like the side bag on your shoulder. So you know, and you can just put the sling back in, और आप इसे as a clutch भी use कर सकते हैं. It's very easy to close. And the color is so neutral कि ये आजकल neutrals बहुत ज़्यादा सब पहनने लगे हैं. So this looks very good with that. So this is one. And the next is this Michael Kors bag. This is a very good pink shade. ये भी मेरी grandma Canada से लाई थी. I know you guys might be thinking कि मैंने इनमें से क्या खरीदा है, but I have bought some of these things. So this is like a really good pink shade. और ये मेरी mom भी use करती है mostly travel के लिए. You know, when you're going in an airplane and you need a handbag जिसके अंदर सब कुछ आ जाए but ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं हो, so you can use it. इसके अंदर आप खाना रख सकते हो. It's very spacious. तो आप इसे use कर सकते हैं. It's very good, and the golden detailing is very attractive. The next is this one. It's a very good animal print. ये actually आप believe नहीं करेंगे, but ये आज से I guess 14 या 15 साल पुराना है. ये मेरा जब भाई छोटा था तब मेरी मॉम ने लिया था, और तब मुझे पता नहीं था ये बैग किसका, मैं भी काफी छोटी थी. बट अब मुझे दिखने से इतना अट्रैक्टिव लगता है. लाइक इसे आप ऐसे यूज करेंगे तो यू नो, इट लुक्स वेरी गुड. You can't really use it like that, I guess. तो आप इसे बस ऐसे होल्ड करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And you know, it opens like this and gives a very attractive look. और जो metallic chains है, you know, the leather is patterned और ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. As a like if you want yourself to look like a multi-millionaire, you can use this. It looks very good.
Multi-millionaire.
Multi-millionaire. The next is this. It's a clutch as well as a sling. It also has like a metallic chain inside of it, जिसे आप एक sling की तरह use कर सकते हैं. See over here, आप इसे sling की तरह use कर सकते हैं. It has beautiful rhinestones over here and these sequins. ये actually Odette का है. ये मेरी मम्मी ने Nykaa Fashion से order किया था. This is a perfect like clutch for weddings. It is multicolor, तो आप इसे सबके साथ pair कर सकते हैं. As a daily use, I don't think ये अच्छा रहेगा because you know all of these sequins will come off. But अगर आप wedding पे जा रहे हो या फिर कोई late night party है जो बहुत shimmery है, you can always go for this. So this is one. The next is my recently purchased jute blend bag from H&M again. So this is one of the most attractive bags I found on H&M recently. और ये सिर्फ एक ही था स्टॉक में, so I just eagerly ordered it. और इसका ऐसे जो बटन जो मतलब क्लच का ये वो ऐसे खुलता है, so I really like it. And इसका जो metallic sling है ये भी काफी attractive, and you know it can also go like this, like वो जो Michael Kors वाला था, like that one, and also then like this to make it short, and you know put it just on your side. And the dog houndstooth print is really attractive. It's very much in trend. And the next is this baguette bag. So this is also very old, and this is pure leather. So as you can see, it has still not been ruined because ये बहुत पुराना है. I guess मेरी mom ने बहुत पहले लिया था.
पर ये आज भी बहुत
new
चलता
market
है.
में. Yeah, this is actually very much in trend right now. The baguette bag. So I have used it like once or twice, but I really like how small it is, and I can fit everything in here. And you know, you just wear it like this, and it's so light. Like you know, I can also like hold it on my one finger, even my small little finger, and it's that light. So the next is this another sling bag. It's from H&M. It's a very attractive green color. ये green color I guess काफी uncommon. It's a very pastel shade. You know, it has a button and then it has this zip. You can also remove these and use it as a clutch again. And this color is very good. So I'm a big sucker for slings. So this is one of them. And the next is another one from H&M. This is a mini sling, a very good oval kind of shape. और ये ऐसे बटन के जैसे खुलता है, and it is also spacious. You know, the crocodile leather print kind of thing. It is very good. I really like these kind of designs on H&M. And this color, ये color काफी bright नहीं, I mean very dusty but very good. So you can use it on your daily basis as well. तो अगर गंदा भी हो जाएगा तो गंदा नहीं लगेगा. The next is another variant of green.
ये तो लंच बॉक्स लगता है.
ये लंच बॉक्स नहीं है, ये स्लिंग बैग भी है. So you can also use it as a sling because of this. And I really like this kind of boxy bags because they are so easy to carry. अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, you can just close these buttons and put the sling inside. Oh my god, why isn't this closing? Okay. And hold it like this, and it's also very light, and it's pure leather as well. I got it for around 1500, so I guess it's worth the price, and it's so attractive, these kind of boxy bags. So this is another one. उसके बाद है ये black, और ये actually एक ही जैसे है, but ये अलग शेड्स में. मैंने ये H&M पे देखे थे और मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आया, and दोनों शेड्स में ये काफ़ी अलग लगता है. इस शेड में it's like a very luxurious, light greyish neutral look. And in here you can see a very party-like, classy black with a touch of golden, giving you all the millionaire vibes. So I really like these two, both of them for 1500 each, but I guess it's worth the money. So ये दोनों shade में. And these can also be used as clutches and slings because इनके अंदर metallic chain है. Wait a minute, I'll show you guys. इसके अंदर ये जो metallic chain है, you can bring it out. It's quite long actually. I showed in last one of my H&M haul videos. And you can wear them as slings. This one I like more, but this one I like equally, so I can't decide. So the last but not the least is this white, because I don't think your bag collection is complete without the basic shades. This one actually my mom got from Bata. Now please don't laugh at me, Bata is not bad, okay? This is quite old, or its quality is very good. Like the leather has still not come off, and the color is so good. And this is the last one. But इसका जो quality वो काफी अच्छा है, and the golden touch is like bringing out the beauty of it. So guys, this is the last bag out of my bag collection. So I hope you like this video, and do let me know which bag did you like the best. I would love to know. And if you guys want me to provide the description box, if you guys want me to provide the links to some of the products, some of them are still available on like sites like H&M and Michael Kors. I'll make sure to provide them. And do let me know how you are liking these fashion videos, or should I make more of them, and what should I make? I would really appreciate your suggestions. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys, bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share this video on your WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook or anywhere that you like. Bye guys, milte hain next video mein.